Canva has 200 million users and has quietly become one of the most powerful AI content creation platforms available. Most users are still using 10% of what it can do. In this video I cover every AI feature in Canva, complete setup for beginners, how to use Magic Design and Magic Presentation, full pricing comparison, and when Canva genuinely replaces Adobe products. Canva has embedded AI into every part of the platform. Magic Design builds complete designs from a text description. Magic Write generates marketing copy, headlines, and body text. Text to Image creates original visuals inside your design. Background Remover works in one click on any image. Magic Presentations builds full slide decks. Video auto-captioning adds subtitles automatically. And AI translation converts any design into over 100 languages instantly. The honest comparison. Complex professional vector work, Adobe Illustrator is still the standard. Speed, Canva wins, AI builds in seconds. Learning curve, Canva wins, 5 minutes versus weeks for Adobe mastery. AI integration, Canva wins significantly in 2026. Professional broadcast and print, Adobe still leads. Price, Canva free often replaces a $600 per year Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. Templates, Canva has millions. For most non-professional designers, Canva does 80% of what Adobe does for free. Magic Design step by step. Open Canva and click Create a Design. Click Magic Design at the top. Describe what you want, for example, Instagram post for a fitness brand, bold and energetic, dark background, orange accents. Canva AI generates multiple complete designs instantly. Select the one you like best. Every element, text, images, colors, layout is individually editable. The AI gives you a starting point that would previously take 30 minutes to create from scratch. Magic Presentation is remarkable for anyone who creates slide decks. Click Create a Design, then Presentation, then Generate with AI. Type your topic, for example, the benefits of remote work for small businesses. Canva creates a complete 10 to 15 slide presentation with a logical structure, appropriate visuals, and written content on every slide. You edit, rearrange, and personalize from there. What used to take 2 hours now takes 5 minutes. Free plan is genuinely powerful. Most AI features are included, 5 GB of storage, and millions of templates. Pro is $14.99 per month and adds unlimited AI generation, your brand kit with custom fonts and colors, 1 TB of storage, and the ability to resize any design to any format automatically. Teens is $29.99. Enterprise is custom pricing. Start free at canva.com, no credit card needed. iOS and Android apps available. Canva for Education is free for teachers and students. To compare with Adobe's AI tools, Adobe Firefly is at firefly.adobe.com, all links in the description. Subscribe for more AI tool guides.